So I'm most proud of our organization's success in providing innovative care and telehealth access to care during the onset of the pandemic. It was a pretty amazing effort by everyone, and I'm really proud of the coordination as we engage stakeholders, patients, interpreter services, and launched a brand new virtual care platform that we didn't have prior to that onset. We took into account equity and safety and clinical workflows, and how do we integrate the technology? How do we reach people's homes? A lot of the patients that we serve don't speak English. So how do we engage those interpreters? How do we translate consent forms? And so to keep it brief, I'm really proud of our organization's efforts. We have had over, I believe, 600,000 telehealth visits now since the onset, and it's only growing. And I really hope we just keep moving along and keep it sustainable and effective for our patients. Value-based healthcare should always be at the forefront of our minds. Currently, costs are at an all-time high. Patient outcomes, we deliver great medical care, but we really need to be cognizant of that ratio of costs and outcomes. One key to improving value is better cost transparency. The world of drug costs, insurance, reimbursement is muddy, and it's unclear to most patients and, quite frankly, physicians. It makes it difficult to sometimes make a truly informed medical decision, and it has downstream effects on rising healthcare costs and payer premiums. I avoid burnout by spending time with my family and, quite honestly, doing what I love most, which is playing with my 2.5-year-old, hanging out with my wife, decompressing. It's fascinating. Professional fulfillment, clinical medicine are both at the top of my mind in day-to-day work, but there's nothing like spending time with your family, with my daughter. It's absolutely amazing. And so I think that gives me really positive perspective. I think that whenever I feel down, defeated, I had a difficult day, whether clinically, professionally, there's nothing like going back home and spending time with your loved ones. So that gives me absolute fulfillment and joy.